Yeah. See how bright I am? Snow. Snow. That's why it's bright.
We all in the same place. What's wrong with you? You know, I was looking on the end of the line. Well, whatever time it is. And tell me why they said that Squid Games was a true story.
Oh, I got shot.
In what country?
In Korea.
Oh, I believe it.
The Mario, I got
Said
shot.
that they would go to the homeless. They would pick up the homeless people and they would pick up orphans. They said they was picking out the people that way that don't have nobody, so that way when they all dead or whatever, ain't nobody checking for them.
Can
They
you
said so when they go missing, ain't nobody looking for them. They said it was some type of strike in 2009.
In Korea.
Yep. About it, and then in 1980 something, that's when they had them dressed up in the same type of outfits. Yeah, you got shot, baby, because you was still moving. Got him right on through. Oh, how coming against you, Mama? You were going against your grandma?
Oh, I died. I'm too. Ow!
Yeah.
Yep, still there.
She was following you at first.
Was she?
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it,
Oh my
get
Lord.
it. You ain't gonna get it, you camera shy. You might well get out of it.
Get that booty. And that's what I'm playing right now. And I'm not even on that. And guess who that yellow
Snow.
person is?
Who that is?
Simon! Yay!
Yeah.
What's the matter?
And then what?
Gracie.
Camera, you better hurry up. Guess what that number
Let's
is?
see.
Camera,
Snow
you better get on this game because you got
Shit bag. Ooh.
Girl, and then they said, hold on,
Yes.
let me get up and see what that stuff looks like.
snow.
Yes, Lord.
Freaking snow.
He talking about some freaking snow. Let me see. Woo, boy, it's whiter than a mug outside.
Oh my God. I want to go out there and play.
I wanna go outside
What gets the
in the snow.
What's the snowball? Play in the snow.
No, you ain't going outside over here.
Yeah, we ain't playing none of that. Watch out.
Yeah.
Look, you see how deep it is because your little thing is dang near covered. Look at the trees. Your pole looks short.
Mm-hmm.
Girl, then they had the nerve to say that
You better get up.
it's so bad outside. A lot of the snowplow companies is not even coming out.
Come on.
They not coming to shovel the snow.
I don't give a damn. We done paid our HOA dues. They need to come on and shovel this motherfucking shit.
They not coming.
Or they can reimburse me.
They not coming.
I just
On the
died.
big streets and all, they're not coming.
I'm on 3 and 4. Kenny, I just died.
They knew what was about to happen. Punk ass smoke taking our damn money.
I do have it. But I gotta look for it. You saw it?
Alright, what's good? I'll be out there shoveling in a little while.
I'm eating apple. If I eat one more apple, it's gonna go away. The green. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're going through. January,
See, I ran
what's
out of
that? January 6th?
and I ate the
I
apple.
think it's January 6th.
I ate some.
I got a different stand to go here. The other one is over there. I just set it over there. Christmas stuff. And I got another table. Different table. I set the other ones out there in the red room.
Where am I? Stop. Where am I?
At least some of our stuff did come. We got another Amazon package, like Bible stuff. We're supposed to have Bible study, but we was out in the snow braving that yesterday, so we couldn't really have a full Bible study like we wanted to. So I don't know if they're gonna get delivered today, tomorrow, or the next day, but that's what we waiting on.
But I'm eating bananas.
What, Gracie? Huh?
Yummy bananas.
What's the matter?
Oh, I just saw tails on.
What's the matter, Gracie? Look at her, yeah. Yeah. These animals, they think they run us.
Yeah, because I was playing Sprunky on the purple phone.
Who won a Burger King?
Me, Cameron.
What'd you get out of Burger King?
A double cheeseburger, a fry, and the specialty. Why does it taste like baby throw up?
Yeah, you got to turn them toes.
Deanna.
Why does it taste like a monkey?
Kane said, why do the ice taste like baby throw up?
You don't like it? You ain't liked it?
Journey like it.
Izzy's beautiful. This tastes like a monkey.
It's a beautiful breakfast.
Why does it smell like I got
You need to watch
monkey.
your kneecap and
I wanted to show y'all that I had got Sarge these Bible tabs for his Bible, because we know we've been doing Bible study, so he can mark all the books of the Bible. Then I had got him this prayer journal, so he can write in. You know, I get him all his stuff. He just got it. Prayer tracker. Let me hold y'all that. Prayer tracker. And we got prayer and prayer requests. We got the little divider. Yep. He can mark it in his and it closes back like that. Real sleek for men. Ooh. I want to show y'all my Bible book, and it came with like a journal, or it came with this book right here, and it came with a bookmark. It got Psalms 139:14 on the front. This is the Bible book it came with, just like the journal. Just like the journal, got a pocket on the back. Yep, and I got my Bible in here. I had got this Bible and got my Bible tabs on there. And let me show y'all the bookmark. The bookmark is just like the journal, and if you stop focusing on everything else and focus on the... There we go. It's real pretty. It's purple. They didn't really have no pink one, but the purple looked better anyway. So I got that. Got my pen in there. I wanted to save it in. I guess it really don't matter. Psalms. I put it on Psalms 1. And leave it in there like that. So I just carry. Sarge already got one. That's what laying on the table in there. I just showed y'all his. So yeah, I got that from the Amazon. From the Amazon. My book, I'm mad that my little book can't fit in there. Like, I wish it was thicker so I can carry it with it. But yeah, that's what I had got from the Amazon. How y'all living? Kids is at daycare, baby. Thank you, Jesus. Tinker Lady is at school. Woo! Today is January the 8th. We chilling, y'all. I didn't want anything. I mean, I could have been filming some stuff, but it's been chaotic. We got snow everywhere. We had to dig ourselves out. Well, I had to, do most of it because Sarge can't do that because it's hard. Went to his last appointment, MRI appointment before surgery. Surgery is soon. We'll take all prayers. Good prayers. He coming in the door. Getting ready for work. Got my lunch bag. Got some grapes. Got these deep purple grapes. My Olipop. Olipop. Water. Pineapples. Sarge got me a sandwich. Got avocado. The rest of my pepperoni chips. We'll put all this in there. Cause it's 1:07. And I gotta start getting ready by 1:30. So I can leave at 2. So I gotta get all this packed up. And I'm gonna get a snack. Like a fig. Gonna take one of these Nature's Bakery and a Little Bites. Whatever I don't eat tonight, I have it tomorrow. And that'll be that. And it is packed. And that's all I'm gonna do right now. And then I gotta move this Christmas tree. I already took it down. It's just boxed up. Got the ornaments. Got my angel. And we got a vacuum right there. They little games and stuff. Laundry. Yes, we live here. It's shit everywhere. Deanna forgot her boot, y'all. Look at the boot. Fix it, Jesus. Get your boot, Deanna. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm gonna make my way downtown. Yeah, I gotta go past downtown to go to work. Oh, and I still gotta put up that shower curtain. That's all the Christmas left sitting out, but I'm gonna have to put it in the garage. Then I gotta tackle putting everything where it need to go in the garage.